$20,000 in profit buying silver. But Eli, you said you're not buying silver to make profit. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that you can't profit from it. So today I want to tell you about a comment I received about a guy who said that pretty much he made $20,000 in profit buying silver, and I just want to go over the math behind it and how easy it can be to make 20K from buying silver. And we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli, and if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. So, question of the day, did you guys ever, bear with me here, did you guys ever make a profit buying silver? Comment down below, let me and the community know. So I received the comment saying that, hey, I made
$20,000
in profit buying silver, and I bought silver when it was at $18 and I sold it when it was at 30s and it's 40s. And to be honest with you, that comment right there caught my attention. We all just practically focus. Yeah, silver is a hedge against inflation. Silver is for protecting the value of your money. As a matter of fact, silver is just to protect
your ass.
We all know zombie apocalypse, but honestly, can we really profit from silver? Of course you can. Tons of people have.
But
the fact that silver did go up to 30s and 40s and 50s and came crashing back down leaves a sour taste in the people's mouth. So every time you think about silver, you hear people talking about, oh man, the money was just sliced up in half. Oh man, this was just taken down. I lost so much money in silver. But you never actually hear that much people saying, hey, listen, I made some money off silver. I mean, come on, this is a great deal. So let's go behind the math behind this story here. All right. So he says that he purchased silver at $18, right? And he sold at 30s and 40s, all right? So he purchased it around $18 and sold it around these prices right here, all right? So he made $20 profit, all right? Now let's just reverse engineer that $20,000 in profit. So if you made $20,000 in profit, if we divide that by 35, we're just gonna use 35 as a number between 30 and 40, all right? That means he would have sold 571 ounces that he sold to make $20,000. Remember guys, I'm just reverse engineering the profit itself. All right, so this isn't off. I'm just giving you guys some basic information here. So if he had bought 571 ounces at $18, that would have cost him about $10,248 to actually buy 571 ounces of silver at $18. And we're not even factoring the premium. I'm not too sure about the premiums. This is just the basic information at basic level. He bought 571 ounces of silver at $10,248, all right? But it still doesn't equal up to $20,000 because of course, that just made a $10,000 profit. So we would practically have to double this number right here. For him to actually make $20,000 profit, you would have to double this amount, which means you would have to spend at least $20,000 to actually make $20,000 in profit. But I want to show you guys how easy this is, all right? So let's just say is 1,000 ounces, right? And you get to accumulate that in 4 years. I want to show you like the math behind it and how simple that is, all right? Within 4 years, that's about 20 ounces a month, all right? 20 ounces a month equals up to $300 a month. But if you want to break it down even more, that's $75 a week. Oh man, 75, where can I find $75 every week to buy on silver or whatever, where I'm going to find it? I got bills to pay, I got such and such, I got such and such, I got this and that. But $75 a week is nothing but $10 per day. $10 per day. That's it, $10 per day. And for the next 4 years, if prices remain the same, and I remind you, this is at $18. You can buy generic silver right now for like $16. This is at $18. Generic silver is at $16. All right. So let's really put it this way. That's of course with the premiums. If you know how to shop below spot or get it a little bit above spot, of course. All right. So $10 a day. What is that? What is that? I mean, the average hourly worker actually gets paid a little bit over $10 an hour. So maybe one day you're like, hey, you know what? I'm going to take 1 hour of my work and I'm going to put it into silver. Or hey, for Saturdays and Sundays or the 2 days I'm not working, let me take 3 extra hours out of the week and actually put it for those days. Just $10 a day for the next 4 years if silver prices stays below 18 for the next 4 years. And let's just say you manage to obtain 1,000 ounces within the next 4 years. And let's say we do see prices go up to 30 and 40s, and you sold it in between, let's say 35, then you can find yourself making $20,000 profit. All right, but that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I want to know what you guys think, so comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, but guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day. All right, guys, so just to set a disclaimer, I do want to say the math was a little bit off on this, and I just did this as an example. All right, this is not factoring if the prices of silver goes up or down. This is not factoring inflation as well, so always keep that in mind.